first came to know that Neha is the one, it has been a beautiful memory. I find myself very lucky to have her because she has been all what I've dreamt about. She has been all what I feel, and I'm quite sure that we will make an awesome couple together.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए।
Atata, we met after like 15 varsha, but before that we knew each other when we were kids. And when this thing came up, Anish hai and they are searching for a bride and all. But when it came at my place, it was like, okay, if it is Anish, I may meet her because I know him. Like, so I had an image in my mind of that guy because I knew him in the month, in the first week of February. So these dates were being discussed as a suitable date for the engagement ceremony, and it was something that was like okay, not planned at all. And suddenly I would be like engaged in a month or something. So it came up like a shock, and but then things were nice because talking to Anish is like always too good. He will never make me feel like even if I'm like worried, because I remember till the time we got engaged, that period of 26 days, I always used to be like no, I'm worried. I'll just I don't know, something weird feeling and all. But he was the one who always used to comfort me about it. And on the day of the engagement, I was totally cool, and I guess he went off like horrible, maybe worried about something. But then nice, and from the day till we got married, I always used to freak out, thinking that life is going to change and all. But there's nothing like. He makes me feel so comfortable with everything, and that's all about it. Love you, Anish.
I love you, Neha. Take care.
मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एकदम भर गया, तेरा नजारा मिला, रोशन सितारा मिला, तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला। सदियों से तरसे है जैसी जिंदगी के लिए, तेरी सोहबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए, तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए।